Have you ever wondered what makes a classroom truly magical? It's not just about books and blackboards. It's about a place where curiosity comes alive, where every day is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Imagine stepping into a room filled with sunlight, bright colors, and the happy buzz of children exploring. This is where learning isn't a chore. It's a celebration! Look at this.
Here, learning letters isn't about memorizing shapes.
It's a treasure hunt. A game where kids piece together the sounds and stories of our world. And over there, a group is building a towering structure. They're not just playing with blocks. They're learning about physics, balance, and teamwork, all while their imaginations run wild. Every block placed is a lesson in collaboration. Every wobble, a lesson in... Now, let's peek into a science experiment. A teacher, more like a guide on a fantastic journey, mixes to mysterious liquids. The children's eyes are wide with anticipation. What will happen? Will it fizz? Will it change color?
And then, poof, a burst of colorful foam overflows, and the room erupts in gasps of delight and laughter.
This isn't just a chemical reaction. It's a moment of pure wonder that sparks a lifelong love for science. They're learning that asking what if is the first step to amazing discoveries.
Story time is another world entirely.
The teacher's voice brings brave knights, talking animals, and distant galaxies right into the classroom. The children are captivated, not just by the tale, but by the doors it opens in their minds.
They learn about empathy by walking in a character's shoes, and they expand their vocabulary without even realizing it.
They're traveling the world and beyond, all from the comfort of their cozy reading corner. What you're seeing is more than just a school day. It's the foundation of a bright future. It's a place where children feel safe to ask questions, confident to try new things, and supported to be their unique selves.
A great classroom is where a teacher as guidance and a child's natural curiosity meet to create something truly special. It's where friendships are forged over shared discoveries and where laughter is the soundtrack to learning.
School is not just a building. It's the beginning of a lifelong journey of exploration. Thanks for watching.
If you believe in the magic of learning, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring stories.
See you next time.